Hi everyone, my name's Rob Biddulph and my World Book Day book is called Charlie McGrew and the Horse That He Drew. Now, the books that I usually read, I read a lot of children's books, partly because I get sent lots of children's books to read, I'm very lucky, but also because children's books are the best books, quite frankly. But this year, I think I am going to resolve to read more football programmes. You know, the little programmes you get when you go to watch a football match. In particular, Arsenal football programmes, because Arsenal are my favourite team and Arsenal are really good at football at the moment. I know lots of you are booing right now. I know lots of you are booing. But Arsenal are really good at football at the moment. So basically, when I say I want to read more Arsenal football programmes, what I really mean is I want to go to more Arsenal games. And while I'm at the games, I'll read the programmes, which basically is a list of the players that are playing. But still reading, right? So there you go. That's what I resolve to do more of this year. I wonder what you're going to read more of.